This is a Movelink M2, a wireless microphone system by Godox. Yes, the company who made great name in a filmmaking light gears now jumped in the audio business, and let's check the strength and do test of their microphone. By the way, welcome to the channel and I hope you are doing well in the festival season. Also stay with us till the end to know true value of this product. Well, no doubt the microphone designed well by Godox, from outer looks to the build quality, is a feel premium. Even it's a really lightweight product. Movelink M2 kit comes with a 2 transmitter, 1 receiver and a handheld adapter and some accessories. And if you want to see in details what includes in the box, then I recommend you should check the unboxing video, link in description. Now let's talk about the audio quality. The sound output of the Godox Movelink M2 is awesome in both indoor and outdoor environments. It grabs accurate sound with the clear audio. This is because it has inbuilt sensory control feature which play important role in recording. Moreover, transmitters have inbuilt microphone, also 3.5mm port to connect to your lav mics, and personally we use this device in some projects and its audio output is more than enough, I would say. Even this video voice has been recorded on Godox Movelink M2 so you can calibrate its output. Apart from the audio, another essential thing is connectivity and compatibility, because no one wants delay in a work, right? And I'm glad to mention that connection between transmitter and receiver is really accurate. You just turn on the power button and boom, it's automatically connected with each other in seconds. But there's also a separate button in case lags while connecting, but so far I didn't face any of the situations, so it's a good to go. And also it's compatible for both cameras and phones, which is a nice thing. Alright, it's built well, great audio connectivity, but the transmission range is not that much good as we expected from Godox. Before moving further, I like to show you a clip where we test the range. You should look at that first. So guys, this is Godox Movelink M2 and now we're gonna test the range of this device, so let's do it guys. So now almost 5 to 10 meters away from my camera, and I hope you getting my voice clear and crispy out of this bad boy. 25 meters away. 1 2 ਬਾਜੀ ਚੱਲਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਦੇਖੀ 1 2 1 2. Hopefully you get an idea about the distance range of this device. Let me explain a bit more. Is when we testing the range, it start losing connection almost after 25 to 20 meters, probably because my back in between transmitter and receiver. Not, we tested 3 to 4 times, but the results are same. After 25 to 20 meters, it start losing connection. There's some lags and it's totally lose connection after 45. So you should buy this little boy or not. Let me clear one thing. See, if you mostly work in a studio or indoor, likewise a content creator or shooting interview, then it's the best product available in the market to purchase as compared to the other devices. Even its audio is really damn good, also a cheap in a price. However, if you are working outdoor, for example you are using a telephoto lens and far away from camera usually, then it might not be a worth purchase for you. In conclusion, I just say it has some range issue, otherwise it's a great microphone.